Hello, it's Dan Bunker here from United Learning's EdTech team, and I've got my Surface Pro and my stylus poised just to take you through inking in Word. Now in Word I've got a draw ribbon which has on it various sort of pens which are useful inking tools. So I'm going to pick up a green pen. If I want to change that pen, I have got different thicknesses and different colours, a whole palette that I can use here. I'm going to stick with my green. I'm going to underline a few things as part of my annotation. I can draw arrows. I can add additional inking thoughts, etc., to try and bring text or the learning process to life. Now, the other thing that you may be aware of is that the tip of your stylus or pen, surface pen, the other end where the button is also an eraser. So if you've got any inking that you want to kind of erase, then you can just simply tip your surface pen over and use the top as an eraser. Now, one of the useful pens in Word, and I think it's unique to Word at the moment, is this gestures tool pen, where you can kind of really edit your text a little bit. So if I want, for example, to get rid of the word torrent on that first line here, I can just strike it out and it's erased in Word. If I want to put a different word in, I can just do a little up arrow and write in a word that I want to add to my Word document, and it will use the text, the ink to text engine to turn that into text. There's a whole range of gestures actually, and if you click on the ink gesture help, they're all explained in the panel on the side here. So you've seen me delete words, you've seen me insert words. You can also select add words, split a word and join a word. So some useful gestures there that may be useful if you're using a Surface pen with your Surface device. Now if you just want to go back to using the stylus as a mouse, you can click on the select tool and tap on the document and then use the input panel here to add a word here. So I'm just going to perhaps put the word Heather ? At this point, and you can see how that gets added to the document that we're working on. So there's just a very quick look then at the drawing tools for inking in Surface and a particular focus on the gestures tool. Hope that's useful. We'll be adding more videos to our Surface and Digital Strategy channel as we progress through the summer term. Thank you.